Welcome to your homestead. This refreshed and revamped South Hill home sits on an expansive 2.34 acres.
If you're looking for a home near all of the modern amenities right here in South Hill, Puyallup, but you want to feel like you're a world away, come on in with me. Let's go on a home tour.
Perfect for living a farm-to-table lifestyle. Fresh paint, new flooring. The upper level features big view windows that flood the living room with natural light. The walk-through dining room opens onto a deck for summer barbecues. The kitchen is updated with stainless steel appliances and newly painted cabinets and counters, and overlooks backyard. The spacious primary suite with a private ensuite bathroom offers privacy and large shower, while the two additional bedrooms have big windows overlooking the view and are spacious. There is also a large, full bathroom near both bedrooms. Downstairs, the rec room with a built-in bar is ideal for movie and game nights. The laundry room and half bath are downstairs. The big backyard and deck are perfect for entertaining and playtime. The second lot is fully fenced with power, water, and features a barn with electricity and a hayloft. Perfect for farm animals and creating a true homestead experience. Private circular driveway plus enormous yard for toys and tumbling.